Switching it up is everything, honey. So why not do it with luvme hair? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely luvme hair. They sent your girl over this trendy layer cut loose body wave 5x5 closure HD lace glueless wig, baby, and it ain't coming to play. All right, so before we get into the details of this gorgeous unit, we're gonna do a super quick install, and I'll be back with details, my final thoughts, and a coupon code. What's up? Hey, we are back with another wig review, and this is another gorgeous one, y'all. Y'all see these curls right here, baby? Yes. Oh my god, yes. This is already amazing. I already know I'm about to show out in this. Okay, y'all best to get ready because I'm finna show out. So let's go and put her on.
All day and when the sun sets.
All right. Okay, this fits good on my head, y'all. It fits good. Y'all see these curls? Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see these curls? Yes. This is cute. I'm liking this already right out the box. Y'all see the lace? The lace is given to clip the hair back. Alright, y'all, so here she is. She is looking amazing. Alright, y'all, so first we're going to put my wax stick on. SNTE wax stick. I got this off Amazon, and we're just going to put it on the front just to get these baby hairs out the way, and then we can cut the lace. I got my handy dandy hot comb. I'm just gonna hot comb the front.
My place like you do.
All I'm doing is just lifting the unit up, so y'all know I don't get my forehead. So she is hot comb back. Y'all see the hairline. Like, this is amazing. This is great for a beginner for sure. Next, we are going to cut. Then we're gonna get my razor, and we're just gonna cut the rest of the lace.
We both already know your place is my place. Now my place.
Like, this lace is so transparent. Next, we're going to curl it, y'all, and then that'll be it for this unit. It doesn't take a lot. Like, y'all see this? Y'all don't see the lace. Do y'all see this lace? Like, come on now. So I'm just going to brush it out with my luvme brush, and we're just going to brush the hair out. And this hair feels very soft and lightweight. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head. All right, y'all. All right. So let's go ahead and curl it up, and then we will be done with this unit. Like, this is easy peasy, y'all. So let's go ahead and go on and curl her up.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you feel it freshening.
y'all, all curled up. Oh, y'all see it? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I love the layers in this unit. Like, you don't have to cut any layers. The layers are cut for you. Like, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Absolutely love the layers in this unit. Like, they fall so awesome. Gorgeous. So let me show you the back.
Like I do my place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh in your skin.
Oh, gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how it's so soft, y'all. I can't stop putting my fingers through this hair. It is so soft. It's not getting any tangles. No shedding, no tangles. It is lightweight, very flowy. Perfect. Just picture this hair with a sundress. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so before we get into the details of this gorgeous beauty, you know Love Me Hair sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a wig grip, some wig cap, cute Love Me hairbrush, and a bag to store your unit in. Alright, y'all, so let's get into the details of this unit. Like I said earlier, this is a trendy layer cut loose body wave 5x5 closure HD lace wig, honey. And baby, let me tell you, she's a keeper. This unit frames your face perfectly with the graceful loose waves. It's an easy install and you can take it off in less than 1 minute. It is glueless and it's protective, baby. You don't believe me? It's glueless. Let me show you. Glueless, baby. Glueless. Okay. Let me put the comb. That's what the girlies do. Glueless. Glueless. Okay, this is a low maintenance tanker free unit as well. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair. I am wearing it in the length 20 inches. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. I am wearing it in the color natural black. This unit also can be dyed. If you want to put a little highlights in that, you can do so. This unit is 150% density. This unit also comes with adjustable straps and an adjustable attached band as well to help you give you that glueless effect. It also comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. The lace area is 5x5, so you do have the option to part it in the middle, the right, or the left. Do a C part, straight part, whatever your heart desires. And then I tell you, the lace is HD, baby. Transparent lace. You cannot tell me you see this lace. Like, baby, where you see it? You don't see it. So what are you waiting on? Go ahead and scoop this beauty up. She is perfect to go on vacation with you. She's perfect for the holidays. She's perfect for your work, your church, your date night. She's perfect for any occasion. She is flowy, she is gorgeous, she is beautiful, she is ready to step up to anything that you would like to put this unit through. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this flowy gorgeousness right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video. And I'll see you over there.
550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me. That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?